So hello guys, today these are all my weapon toys. So here is the grenade. Oh, and how do you make it sound? It has a sound like you just press this. But it's best to take this thing off. I'm just gonna put it right here. And then press. So it has a sound effect, and it comes with 4-pack, and you have to take these off to make it a sound. And this is about just $15 and about 16 cents. So it's pretty expensive. And this one, we're just gonna put it out. This last one, you can take a look. Last video I showed you on this. It's called JoySafe AK-47 toy gun. If you can see it. Here's the handle. Here's the handle. Or you can also just do like this, or you can use this. And this, as I said, you can pull this and make the sound, but you can throw. If you throw it on the floor, it doesn't make any sound. You can actually make sound, but I'm just gonna pull off it. Here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Okay, these are all, and I'm gonna make the sound, and I'm going to run away. So take full focus of it, because this is a really good camera just taking capture of this video. It'll be in full focus. So first one. Great capture of it. And it also has a sound box inside, which is here, and here you just screw this off. That screw, and you just screw this nail, and you can take this off and get the battery. And here's the handle. I'm gonna tell you how to make sound. So you just press this handle out thing. First the step is to hold this and then press. There's only 2 steps. Hold this and press, and it will make some sound. So here are the 4 grenades together. I brought. So we have 4-pack, and it comes in a roll like this. Let me show you. You make it like this, and it comes in a wrapper too. So do this, and it also comes in this, which is no use. We can have it. We grab because it just blocks it, so it doesn't make any sound. Take it out, it can make some sound. And so you're gonna see it again. Right here, I'm gonna put it in the camera for more focus. So watch this whole video and like and subscribe. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! So right now we're just gonna take a photo of these 4 granites, which are these, and you're gonna watch it. You'll be full focus, and you can always pause it and look at the picture.
Okay.
And you can skip it too.